Hi you guys, this is Sylvia and John with Clay's Outpost. We are here to take you on a quick tour in our Ford Transit van conversion.
So our van is a 2015 Ford Transit and it's on a 148 wheelbase.
Last year I had this crazy idea to purchase a van and just travel in it and see how that goes. It was a big dream of mine to travel for months and months, and so we went for the idea. John thought I was crazy, but now we're here.
We did make the van ourselves. We didn't have any experience building out vans, so what you're going to see is what we felt was the best design, the best layout for functionality and just having fun and really exploring the US.
Right here we have our 3-burner gas stove, which functions off of propane. It is very convenient and easy to use. It also comes with an oven. If you have a lazy day, you can pop in a pizza, or I personally love baking and I've made some banana bread in here. We absolutely love cooking in here, and the fresh air coming through is very convenient. Right underneath our oven is our Thetford porta potty hiding. It is only for number 1 purposes, but it's very convenient when you have to use the bathroom overnight. And what's great about this, it's in a slide out rack and you can perfectly hide it.
Here we have a beautiful sink with a nice swivel head, functional for cold and hot water, and then we have a soap dispenser, and then of course when you have this much room, you want to make sure that you have little storages. And then of course we added a really nice touch with this stick-on backsplash, really functional, easy to clean, which we love. And then below we're going to have a 5-gallon water tank and then our propane system as well. For our water system, we have a 25-gallon water tank in the garage space of the van.
Welcome to our bedroom. We have a full-size bed. The side of the van does have a pop-out on each side, and it fits up to about 6 feet comfortably. You sleep side to side on this bed. I can almost comfortably sit up, as you can tell. We do have a night light over here that's dimmable, and plenty of open space storage over here for your clothes. Our latest addition is this storage cubby right here that is perfect for storing your shoes. Your hiking boots fit underneath perfectly, and anything else over here. We have our trash can as well, nicely secured. And you can hide all this with a curtain, which also insulates this living space a little bit better, as a lot of cold comes through from underneath the bed. We have designed a stand-up closet. Since we were traveling, we thought this would be a great idea, a great space to use for our coats and our sweaters. You know, the weather changes so much. When you have a wet coat, you come in here. It's just nice to be able to hang it up and not have it in the way. 2 slide-out drawers underneath. The upper one has the cooking pots and pans, a couple of Ziploc bags. Our MaxAir fan is located in the center. It works great for our kitchen when you're cooking and for the bedroom to keep the temperature low overnight. It's best if you have a window or a door cracked, which provides a perfect circulation of fresh air.
Now we're in our kitchen, and talk about workspace. If you love cooking, prepping food, you're going to have plenty of space. This is going to be freshly sanded, so smooth. And as you look through, you're also going to have this really nice slide-out cabinet. We're going to have space for all the utensils, really nice. And then of course our fridge. And this is an Isotherm Cruise 85. This is going to be, I would say, for about a week. You can really store all your food, so that way as you're traveling, you don't have to make too many stops on the way. Storage is really critical, and we make sure that you have plenty of it, especially in our kitchen space. You're going to have a lot of space up here for your cups, plates, and then a little pantry. As you work down, we do have a nice dimmer that will control lights within the van, making it a little bit more comfortable at night. And then of course our Renogy inverter remote, and then our display for battery information. So right below the light dimmer, you're going to have really nice ports, and all USB ports as well, so that way you can plug in your phone, use small charging station for your computer. And then of course, how we talked about the storage, it is really functional, a lot of space. Below the countertop, you're going to see this really massive storage. We love our dog. His name's Winston. He's always traveling with us. This is his home. He feels really safe. But of course, if you don't have a dog, this is a great spot that's really accessible for storage, bags, anything that you want to carry along the trip. So now you're here in the back of the van. This is our garage space. We do have our things that we use for the outside, hammocks, tables on a small slide out. And then what's really neat about this van, it was a passenger van, so we actually fully utilize the AC hose to get air into the main cabin. So you can see a nice hose that goes through. We got to take care of our dog Winston. He likes the fresh air. So we pump it into our main cabin from back here. And then behind me to my left, you're going to have the water tank system, 25 gallons. And to freshen up, a small outdoor shower. And back to my right, you're going to have the battery system. And then we do have 200 amp hours, 1,000 watt inverter, and 200 watts of solar power. So it does make us fully off grid, really functional. And then of course, the batteries are also charged with the car alternator.
Thank you guys for coming along.
So you're going to find us on Instagram at clays.outpost. And then of course, Outdoorsy will let you rent our beautiful van so you can continue to adventure and explore wherever you wish.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.